Okay, Mr. McIntosh, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I think she needs to pay child support.
Okay, just straight like that?
Yeah, straight. I want to get straight to the point. I just want nothing to do with it. I just want child support.
All right. Do you really know her? You just said like you don't want nothing to do with it, like you just met her yesterday.
Well, I thought I did.
Okay, tell me about it.
Well, it started off like every other fairy tale, you know. Everything was hot, bad, everything cooking good loving. So we got a kid.
Okay.
We say, okay, so when the kid arrived, that kind of changed. You know, Daddy got put on the back burner.
It started like a fairy tale, but now it's a war over child support. Mr. McIntosh walks into court with one demand: pay up. But when asked if he even knows the mother of his child, he pauses. Something's off. This isn't just a custody battle. It's the unraveling of a broken relationship, and things are about to get heated. Stay tuned, because this fairy tale is headed for a courtroom nightmare.
And, you know, sometimes I'm not understanding. I say, what happened to Dad? You know, you let the kid go to sleep or something. Don't just forget about me. So it was all about, you know, I got the baby. No, put the baby to bed.
Well, you wanted to tend to the baby, right?
Yeah, what else I'm gonna do?
Well, not that much. Don't just forget about me.
I mean, it's
You know,
forgot
you
about
don't help
Daddy.
around the house. You know, it's just
It's
all
a
about the
child,
baby.
though.
It's just all about the baby.
The baby don't
What
know
happened to
better.
me?
Yeah, but you can't forget about Daddy.
Exactly.
Forgot
What's the
about
baby
Daddy.
gonna do? You an adult.
See, forget about, see what I'm talking about?
It's a child.
Cannot forget about Dad. And once that's a baby, that baby sleep 8 hours a day.
No, still gotta feed the baby. I gotta make sure the baby's clothes and everything. There's a lot of work to put into taking care of a kid.
There really
You an
is.
adult.
The tension rises as Mr. McIntosh pleads for attention, not just in the court, but from the mother of his child. He feels abandoned, sidelined by the newborn, but she's exhausted, overwhelmed, doing everything to care for their child. Two worlds, both desperate to be heard. But will either of them listen? Next up, the real cracks begin to show.
So you know how to take care of
I'm
yourself.
helping. She's not doing nothing by herself. I am also helping. So once I always give her a break, so I can get some daddy time, some us time, get that back. You know, it was great at first, but it just
You say at first, how long were y'all together?
6 years.
That's a long time to be together.
Yeah. But
Okay.
then the baby just popped up, and I'm like, you know, she forgot about me. And so I try to, you know, let me take care of the baby. Let me let you rest, so you can start back paying attention to me.
All right.
And that don't seem.
Do y'all
like-
still live together?
That don't. No. That don't seem to.
Not anymore.
All right.
Not anymore.
6 years together, and now it's shattered. Mr. McIntosh recalls a love that once was, the teamwork, the intimacy, but now it's just chaos. He says he tried to help too, to give her breaks. But is that the full truth? Because she's about to speak, and her truth hits differently. Keep watching, because next it's her turn to talk.
Okay, how old is the child now? I'm assuming it's not a baby anymore.
Child's about 6.
6, okay.
Yeah, had him right off, right, kind of early.
Okay.
And that kind of, I think that kind of threw it off a little bit by us having a kid so early. And it should have waited a little while, but hey, baby wanted to come, so baby's here now. So
So the baby wanted to come.
the baby wanted to be here. So like I said, I help out to try to get, you know, give her a break or something. Maybe bring up some wine and cook for her every night. I don't like, you know, but it don't seem to, it's just like, I guess you're gonna do that after, I don't know what you call it, after the baby's here, that's some kind of phase you go through.
Okay.
Where you're not paying attention to daddy.
Postpartum.
Yeah, what you said.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's serious. Postpartum is a serious thing to go through. So of
It
course
is.
it's gonna be a
Nah,
disconnect.
not for 5 years.
The baby is 6 now, but the pain is still raw. Mr. McIntosh admits they had a child too soon. But what he says next flips the courtroom mood. He brings up postpartum depression, but he has no idea what it really means. This isn't just about money anymore. It's about understanding mental health. Up next, the mother responds, and she's not holding back.
How you gonna tell a woman that postpartum is something that's terrible to go through? How you never been through it? How do you know?
Yeah, I'm waiting on that explanation too.
Please tell
Well,
me.
I don't know. I don't know. But all I know is I help out to try to, you know, help out with the baby to try to understand what you're going through. That's why I
It's
try. That's why I
mental
take.
issues,
That's why I
that's
Can
try
we
to.
stop referring to this 6-year-old as a baby?
That's.
It's my
I try
child.
to take care of our child.
But you need to be able to tend to me and the child and try to understand where I'm coming from, because depression is a mental thing. You know, there's medication. Some people have suicidal thoughts. You don't even know what you never even tried to ask me what I was going through or how I even felt.
She makes a good point.
Now it's her time to speak, and she delivers a blow of truth. You've never asked how I feel. Her voice shakes but doesn't break. She exposes the silent suffering behind postpartum depression and the emotional abandonment she endured. The judge listens. The tension is thick as fog. Coming up, a custody bombshell no one saw coming.
Okay. I'll
So
take that.
it takes a lot. It takes a lot for you to understand where I'm coming from. You can't just assume, okay, I'm not just trying to tend to you. I have to tend to my mental health and my child. That takes a lot of work.
But I can't read your mind. I don't know.
But you never tried to even talk to or try to understand me from that point.
Did the two of you come here to waste my time?
I mean, he's the one that called it in here. I'm just here. I mean, he obviously wanted me to do something.
Obviously, and I'm just trying to get to what that
wasting
something
both of our
is.
times.
I want full custody and I want child support.
Okay.
How you gonna get full
The
custody
child
when I'm
live with
taking
you?
care of the kid?
It's kind of between, right about it.
The courtroom is simmering. She pleads for empathy, not just as a mom, but as a woman battling inner demons. He says he can't read her mind, but the judge has had enough. And just when you think the case can't twist again, he drops his true request: full custody and child support. Next clip, the shocking reason behind her recent struggles.
But I think I could take care of him better since she can't keep a
I've
job.
been with the kid longer, so I mean, I'm not working right now, so I'm at home with the kid all the time.
So if she's not working, she behind bars.
Wait a minute. Behind bar.
Yeah,
wait a minute, Mr.
have a reason for
McIntosh.
that.
Let me move over here to her so I can
okay.
hear her side of the story. What is this behind bars?
Well, because of how he's been feeling, he's been feeling neglected because I was having issues with depression and taking care of my kids. So he decided to step out. So, me and my girl did some digging and I found out he stepped out on me. So you know what? I had to find out where the girl went, where she worked at.
Then it hits like a gavel drop. She's behind bars, and he's using it as fuel in his custody battle. But when she explains how she ended up there, jaws drop. This wasn't neglect. It was heartbreak, betrayal, infidelity. And she did what she felt she had to do. Next, what did she do when she found the other woman?
So you went and found his
sure
new
did.
girlfriend?
I worked her butt.
He did
I
not
sure
have to
did.
jump on her.
While she was at work?
I did. Because he's not
Ooh.
about to play me after all this stuff I've been doing with his kid. He's not about to do that.
That's a little ratchet.
Yeah,
no
so
reason.
I did.
There was no reason.
There's nothing
That
else
was
I can
uncalled
do.
for.
I did it.
So you have a case pending on you?
I do. Unfortunately, I do. But you don't cheat on me after all this work I've been putting in taking care of your child. You gonna cheat on me? No, it's not gonna fly.
Fueled by betrayal and postpartum rage, she confesses, yes, she went after the other woman, not her proudest moment. But she refuses to be played after everything she sacrificed. The court is stunned, but the drama is just getting started. Next, what happened after her arrest? The answer may surprise you.
Well, what happened to the depression? What happened to all that? You
Oh, it's
what
in there.
happened to all that?
That's
You
one of the
gonna fight.
side
You gonna
effects,
fight my new
though.
girlfriend.
That's
but
one of the
what
side
was the baby
effects,
while you
though.
fighting?
That's one of the side effects.
That's a great
though.
question.
Yeah,
What
you
was the
fight
baby
with a
while
baby.
you were fighting?
Because I'm upset, I'm mad, and then you're not even
And y'all
trying
have
to
me
make
saying,
me
baby,
feel
what
better.
was the
What
child
was the
while you were
child while you were
fighting?
fighting my girlfriend?
Oh, that was taken care of. My sister was watching the
Your
kid.
sister?
She was.
Was she in jail with you?
No, she's watching the kid, and she bailed me out.
Oh.
She was there for me. You
Her
weren't.
sister bailed her out.
You were there.
Her
She was there
sister
for
was
me.
there.
So I
for
guess
her,
you talk
you
to your
weren't.
sister. You won't talk to me.
Because you don't
talk
even
to your
try
sister,
to.
but you can't talk to
You don't
me.
even try. I tried to talk to you.
The gloves are off. He mocks her depression. She claps back with fury. Turns out her sister bailed her out and was there when he wasn't. This isn't just about custody anymore. It's about respect. The courtroom trembles under the weight of raw emotion and unchecked resentment. Up next, the judge steps in and the truth starts to rise.
It seems like you guys can't really talk to each other without getting
Obviously
into
not,
it.
because you don't even try to listen to
I'll
me.
go back to
No.
my original
Yeah.
question. So who does the child stay with majority of the
Me.
time?
He stays with me, Your Honor.
Okay, so you said that the baby was better off with you because she has a assault case.
She got a assault case.
But she didn't
can't
do it in
keep a
front of
job.
the-
She can't keep a job.
How
Okay,
can I
what do
keep
you
a
do
job
for a
when I'm taking care of
living?
the kid?
I'm in the entertainment business.
What does that mean?
I produce.
Yeah, he
What are you
producing, all right.
producing?
I got several artists I'm trying to produce right now in the
Mm-hmm.
music business. So
Oh, okay.
Yeah, late night.
The judge is losing patience. They're yelling, interrupting, blaming each other. But the facts are simple. The child lives mostly with her. He claims she's unfit. But when asked what he does for a living, the courtroom gets a twist. He's an entertainment producer. Is he really fit to take full custody? The money talk begins. And so does the final judgment.
Have they already produced some music?
that's kind of iffy right now, but I think they're gonna be okay.
Yeah, what kind of money are you making?
I'm making about 85,000.
Okay, all right. And you said you're unemployed right now.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to your job?
I had to quit because I was taking care of the kid full time.
Okay. So the child lives with her. Okay. Why didn't you file anything for today for child support?
I wasn't thinking, Your Honor. I didn't want to be malicious towards him or anything, so I didn't feel the need I had to. So that's just where I stand on that.
Okay. Is your sister also helping you with that criminal case?
She is.
Okay.
And she also helps me watch the kid if I'm needing to do anything, like any grocery shopping or anything. She helps me.
He claims to be making $85,000, but says he's unemployed. He quit to take care of the kid, but now the math isn't adding up. She never filed for child support. She wasn't being malicious. She was just trying to survive. But this courtroom doesn't run on sympathy. It runs on facts. Coming up, the final ruling, and it's a game changer.
Well, sir, I'm not going to grant your request for child support today.
I am not manipulating women. You got one girlfriend and you jumped on her.
You are. No, there's
You tell the
plenty
judge
more.
about your sister.
It's
She going
plenty
back to jail.
more. It's plenty more.
Oh,
How you
okay.
know?
Well, guess what? I don't have time to hear about all of these little rendezvous today. I have other things to do, and you obviously came here to waste my time. So I'm going to deny your relief, like I said, and dismiss your case because it's obvious that the child stays with mom primarily. You didn't dispute it when she said it. Therefore, I don't have a choice but to dismiss.
Just like that, the judge drops the hammer. Denied. Dismissed. The case crumbles as Mr. McIntosh is exposed, not as a victim, but as someone playing the system. The child lives with mom. The support is off the table for now, but justice isn't done just yet. Don't miss the emotional conclusion in the next part.
Mom, on the other hand, if she comes back in here and says she wants child support because had she filed something today, you would actually be placed on child support today.
Me?
But yes, you at that $80,000 to $85,000 range because the child lives with her. She's telling the truth, isn't she?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm pretty sure she's telling the truth about the other stuff too. But
No,
that's
no,
none of my
no,
business.
No.
So, is there anything further today, Mr. McIntosh?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything further, ma'am?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
The final verdict hits hard. Had she filed first, he'd be paying child support today. At $85,000, he would have been ordered to contribute, but she chose compassion. Still, the judge sees through all the lies, the manipulation, and in the end, it's her truth that stands tall. This isn't just a courtroom drama. It's a story of resilience, heartbreak, and a mother who gave it all.